I'm Raymond Nobleza. I'm the head of marketing of Pizza Hut. As head of marketing, I oversee digital, brand, and customer engagement. We have database which hasn't been touched, which hasn't been leveraged. So it's the first thing that we want to touch. As part of the digital transformation program of our company, we have to start doing some customer engagement. CRM has been talked about a lot of times, but we didn't know where to start. Fortunately, we got introduced to MoEngage. There were other platforms that was presented to us, but sometimes can get so techy from the get-go, from the demonstration of the app. We really thought that it is something that we can start playing with. The simplified UI and UX of MoEngage make it so appealing. And of course, the cost. Initially, we just wanted to do email campaigns because initially that's a basic of basics of CRM. We really thought that it was a good way to start doing CRM or customer engagement with MoEngage. But we know the capabilities of MoEngage, the use of the AI capabilities of MoEngage for personalization, hyper-personalization, gamification, everything. So that really excites me. So we have already set the roadmap of using MoEngage from emails to SMS and push notifications to integrating with our web and app as Gen X trying to be more techy. So I think it will be more exciting for our team to engage with MoEngage, to have more engagement with our customers.